Hello, my name is Chris Lingo, and I am proud to introduce the new Southland University. Southland University is your one-stop shop for all types of training for technicians and drivers provided by Southland Transportation Group. We've pulled together the resources of Southland along with our partners to create a single data source for customers. To access Southland University, you will go to southlandtransportationgroup.com. You will then select Customer Corner, and from that drop-down menu, you will select Southland University. The home screen for Southland University includes a portal for drivers and a portal for technicians. Under driver training, you have videos, driver cards, and DASHLIGHT indicators. Under videos, you will find options for Bendix, 360, pre-trip inspection, and more. Our driver cards are a quick reference guide for technicians and drivers. It explains each dash lamp indicator and what each one represents. On the back of the driver card, it also gives you the maintenance intervals, the DPF indicator chart, and your diesel exhaust fluid lamp chart. Our driver cards are available for the International 6.6 liter, the International A26, the Cummins B6.7, Cummins L9, and the Cummins X15. For a more thorough explanation of our DASHLIGHT indicators, please visit the DASHLIGHT indicators link. Under Technician Training, you will find links to our Learning Management System, Cummins Quick Serve, maintenance information, warranty information, supplier information, tools and software, and additional resources. Navistar's Learning Management System provides self-paced, guided training courses for technicians on international products including chassis and engine for bus and truck. Every certified international technician has completed the courses Southland is making available to our customers. Southland is offering access to these courses at no cost to our customers to enable access to important training for your technicians. Gaining access is as simple as contacting me to set up a login and password for each of your technicians. The maintenance portal refers you back to the driver cards that provide information on DASHLIGHT indicators and maintenance intervals. Need up-to-date, standard, base, or extended warranty information? Under our Warranty Information tab, we have our vendors listed. Please feel free to contact us at 205-942-6226. Under Supplier Information, we offer links to Allison Transmission, Bendix, Cummins, Eaton, Dana, and Meritor. You can easily select any of these links and it leads you to their service portal. Under Tools and Software, we've included links to purchase your needed software and cables such as Navistar Engine Diagnostics, Cummins Quick Serve, Cummins Insight, and your Nexus cables. Under Additional Resources, you can access International 360 and On-Command Connection. Cummins Quick Serve, coming soon. There's so much to discover with Southland University. Contact us today for more information at 205-942-6226, or you can email us at info@southlandtransportationgroup.com.